Hello everybody, SA Absinpo here. Hope you all well. Today I'll show you how to change Facebook album privacy from private to public. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and then go to the profile options and then scroll down and you can see options that photos, so click on that. After that, click to the photos options, just come here the albums options, and one of my albums is iPhone 14 Pro Max, so click on that. And here you can see the album is only me or private. So if you want to change the privacy from private to public, just click to the three dot options and then click to the edit options. After that, you can see options that only me, so click on that. And then if you want to change the privacy to friends accepted or public, so click to the public options, and after that click to the done options, and you can see the privacy will be changed in some seconds. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.